Now going to taste this bad boy up. Let's taste the top first. Hey guys, JdizzEats. It's a sunny and windy day in Winnipeg. Today we are gonna make a Filipino treat, a treat. It's good for a sunny day, refreshable. It's called Ice Buko. What is Ice Buko? It's coconut with shredded coconut, optional with beans in there, and condensed milk, and some whipped cream in there. And great day on a sunny day. And we are going to teach you on how to make some Ice Buko. And guys, let's get into it, guys. Let's go. We will need some whipping cream, condensed milk, red mung beans, shredded coconut, a plastic cup, and some plastic popsicle sticks that you can easily buy on the store. First of all, to make this Ice Buko, we're gonna put some 1 tablespoon of red mung beans, and we're gonna pour it on the cup here. My mom already did all the cups here, just like that. So once we put in the mung beans, we're gonna put it in the freezer to freeze it for about 15 minutes just to settle those mung beans, just like that. And see you in 15 minutes. Put at least a half of whipping cream in the bowl. Put 1 can of condensed milk in the bowl. Make sure you scrape everything so you don't get this thing wasted. And then mix it until it doubles the sizes. This, guys, will be exciting. The Ice Buko will turn into ice cream consistency. Will be creamy and yummy. I think this mixer is good enough. We're gonna turn off the mixer now, guys. Now we're gonna put some shredded coconut in the mixer that was made. Oh, it's so gonna be so sweet, so nice. We're gonna mix it this time with a spoon. And we're gonna mix this until these ingredients are combined together. So once this is done, it's gonna be so refreshing. It's like going back to the Philippines. Tropical Philippines, guys. Put the mixture on the cup and make sure it's half of the container will do. Make sure you tap the cup so you loosen that air. We're now gonna put this Ice Buko in the freezer. We're gonna let it set for an hour before we can place our popsicle sticks on the Ice Buko. After an hour, we're gonna put now a popsicle stick, since we can't find the small one in the store. We're gonna put the big ones instead, and we're gonna put it in the middle. Try to touch the bottom, like that. So is the other one. And now we're gonna put these on the freezer, and we're gonna let them freeze for 5 to 6 hours until these Ice Buko is ready. Can't wait.
Many hours later.
This is our finished product of our Ice Buko. Oh, it's after a couple of hours. And look at that, it's like ice cream consistency and with beans on top. We're now going to taste this bad boy up. Let's taste the top first. Super sweet with the coconutty part, the ice cream. And then the beans is sweet and salty. It gives that a good contrast with the sweetness on the ice cream, on the iced coconut. Let's taste just the coconut one. Sweet and creamy. What a great way to have this treat on a sunny day in Winnipeg. Another taste of these. Miss having this. Haven't had this dessert, ice buko, in a while. I had that back in the Philippines. And it's good to have it back here to try, to make one at home. Even though we do have some in some stores, but we don't really eat it. So I do kind of miss it. And the difference is, it's an ice cream version. Ice cream consistency. Look at that, ice cream consistency. And it's shaped like a plastic cup. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Oh, wow. Oh my god. It came out of the freezer. And there's shredded coconut in here. Sorry for the wind, guys. But it's so good, it's so hot. And this is a great refreshable treat, Filipino sweet treat. So I would recommend, guys, on making this at home. It's so good. I would not regret it. It's so good. I repeat. And that would be it for this video. If you do enjoy this how to make ice buko, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share this to anyone. And guys, it's JdizzEats, and see you guys next video. Bye.